Okay, question 13. The area of trapezium is equal to the area of a right angle triangle. Find the value of x. Okay, first thing we're going to do is find the area of the trapezium. Now, if you don't know the formula for the area of the trapezium, you will find it on the front cover, on the back of the front cover of the test paper. Here it is. So, A and B are the parallel sides. That's A and that's B, and there's the height. So the first thing we're going to do is write out the area of the trapezium. So area of a trapezium equals half A plus B times the height. So it's going to be half, bracket, A is 6, plus B, which is 10, times by the height, which is 5. So we've got a half times 16 times 5. Okay, half of 16 is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. So that's 40 centimetres squared. Okay, so now we know that the area of this trapezium is 40 centimetres squared, but the area of this triangle is also 40 centimetres squared. Okay, so area of the triangle is base times height divided by 2. So we know that the base times the height divided by 2 should equal 40. So x, because we don't know it, times by 10 divided by 2 is going to equal 40. Okay, so one number divided by 2 gives us 40 then. It's 80, isn't it? So we know that these two numbers times together must equal 80. So now then, x times 10. So what must x be to make it equal 80 then? Well, x must equal 8, mustn't it? Because then you would have 80 times 10 divided by 2, and that would give you 40. So that's how we know it's right.